temperatures as you step outside this morning on the cooler side, so grab that jacket. We're sitting in the 40s here in the Front Range. Out across eastern plains, already seeing some 50s and 60s down across southeast Colorado, and up in the high country. A chilly start in Leadville, 33 degrees with 39 this morning as you step out the door in Vail. But we will be warming things up once again as we go through today, with temperatures climbing to the mid to upper 70s. Taking you to Glenwood Springs, a pretty start to the day there, a mix of sun and clouds, and that's what we'll have through the morning hours. And clouds will increase as we go through the afternoon, and we do have a chance for a few afternoon showers. Temperatures today 77 at the airport and 78 here in the city. Those showers rolling into the western half of the state earlier today, right around lunchtime, blanketing the high country, where we could even see a little mountain snow as well. Not making its way to the I-25 corridor until after 2, but we could see some lingering showers through this evening. And as these storms track across the eastern plains, a handful of these could turn severe. By tonight, we start to clear things out, and we're looking at a drier day tomorrow. Closer look at the Front Range forecast. Again, dry this morning through the lunch hour. It's not until after 2 we'll start to see some of that moisture spill across the Front Range, pushing out across the eastern plains. Again, not a lot of rain with these, but if you do see one of these storms pass through, it will be breezy with wind gusts upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour. And we do have a level 1 severe weather threat blanketing the state today. What we're mainly concerned about with these storms, wind and small hail, especially out across the eastern plains. 70s and 80s, that's what you'll find out east. Up in the high country, extremely mild as well. 64 in Gunnison as well as Aspen, 62 in Vail, with 71 in Grand Junction. Here in the city, even warmer, 78 for a high. And taking you into your neighborhood network, down south into Douglas County, neighborhoods like Stonegate today top out at 77 degrees. 45 overnight, those showers lingering early, and then partly cloudy conditions. Temperatures up high, we're looking at 20s and 30s, 30s and 40s out to the west and east. And then out the door tomorrow, if you have any plans, it's going to be a warmer day, a drier day, more sunshine, but it is going to be windy. So we are looking at increased fire danger. We do have a red flag warning in red down to the south and a fire weather watch in yellow. So we're looking at wind gusts tomorrow upwards of 20, 30 miles per hour in very dry conditions. So that's the perfect recipe for high fire danger. One of those days you just want to be careful. We'll see that again on Monday, 74 degrees, sunny, dry and windy. And then on Tuesday, another chance for rain comes our way, slightly cooler, back in the 60s, closer to what it should feel like in April. But we waste no time warming back up. 60s and 70s Wednesday and Thursday, dry weather. By the end of the week, we're tracking the chance for some more showers and storms taking us into next weekend. So great to see several chances for rain headed our way this week.